Hi everyone. So based on our last class, we have talked about arc length. Okay. So this week we're going to talk about perimeter of segment. So how do we do that? Okay, let's go. So we learned in our previous class we talked about S equals R theta. It's quite simple, quite direct. So now in this question here, okay, so it's going to be quite challenging. So let's see how do we solve this. First of all, I'm going to get the length of the arc, okay? So I'm going to get the length of ABC, okay? So arc ABC is as simple as 10 times the radian, which is pi 3.142 over 3. Okay, so let's see, 10 times 3.142 divided by 3 is 10.47 centimeters. So this one we are just measured this part, okay, this part of the segment. So now let's look at how do we get the line, okay, the chord AC. Okay, so how do we get AC? Okay, let's look at the idea. Okay, so if this is a triangle that is formed between O, A, and C, and the sector here, okay, pi over 3, and then we're going to divide this, okay, we're going to divide this into 2, okay, so it's going to be perfectly here, okay, it's a 90 degrees line, okay, that means it's a right angle here with the length here, the radius of 10, okay, this part and this part is the same. So it's going to be a 90 degrees triangle. So I think you kind of get it. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, pi over 3 in terms of degree is just literally pi over 3 times. Okay, let's see. Let's just recap on how do we change from radian to degree is just times 180 over pi, right? So 180 over pi. It's as easy as divide by 3, we get 60. Okay, 60 degrees here. So if we divide the angle into 2, so this one small portion here, okay, is going to be 60 over 2, which is 30 degrees. Okay, so with a triangle like this, and this angle here is 30 degrees, with this length here is 10, how are we going to get, let's just call this as V as the center, so here VC. How are we going to get the length of VC? So I'm going to just call upon trigonometry, opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 30 equals to opposite, which is VC over hypotenuse 10. So VC is equals to 10 times sine 30. So sine 30 is going to be 0.5 times 10. We get what we are getting is 5 here. Okay, that's quite easy. So when we got here, VC equals to 5. So this part here and this part here is the same. Therefore, AC is equals to 5 times 2, which is 10. Wow, okay, quite easy. So based on that, therefore, area of segment ABC is equals to 10 plus 10.47. So we get 20.47 centimeter. So I hope this question is quite direct and is easily understood. So you guys can solve more questions regarding this in the future. Okay. Do send me questions if you have any doubts. I will try to solve it for you as much as possible, and possibly if you're lucky, you'll get featured here as well. Okay, till then, stay safe, and next week we're going to talk about area of sector. Thank you guys, stay safe, bye bye.